Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. It's a little chilly here today. Today I'm filming Tuesday, I think it's Tuesday. Is it Tuesday? Tuesday. We're supposed to get some snow, I think like 1 to 4 inches. I'm like, no more snow, I'm over it. But I have Ipsy versus Ipsy today to share with you. So, ooh, nice bag. Because I didn't see, we don't get the Glam bag in PR, and so I haven't seen the bag. Let me, ooh, nice. How's that going to lay around? So here's the bag. It's like a leatherette, pink hearts, but look at the pull. Look at the little pull tab. It's like a lollipop. Oh, that's adorable. It does say Ipsy on it. Right here. Cute. And the zipper has like a little bit of green. I don't know if there's green inside. Oh no, look. Little like hearts, purple hearts. Ooh, how exciting. So I had a product outside of my bag. Let's get the card. Obviously, self-love starts here is the theme. So you get a card with, you know, your product list on it. First item that was outside of my bag is from Pacifica Beauty. Good brand. I have some of their blush and love it. So I'm happy to try this. This is Glow Baby Super Lit Enzyme Scrub. At least it's a decent size. It's not one of these tiny little samples. This is 40 ml, 1.4 fluid ounces. It's decently full to give it a try. You don't need, you need like, maybe like a pea size, but maybe like double that for your face. You really don't need a ton of scrub. This probably has a seal on it. Yeah. I don't know if it has a scent. And this says it's travel size. It's vitamin C, glycolic acid, fruit extracts, gentle exfoliation. So I'm happy to have that to give a try. Let's see what else is in here. From Misho Beauty Sheer Glow Primer. I don't believe I have that as a primer, even though I just got rid of all this stuff decluttered. But I'll give this a try. And this is a travel size right there. So that's, I love Misho Beauty. If anybody ever sees on the shop, on Ipsy, the, I'll show it to you. It's right here. Let me just pull it out. I'm wearing it today. This is what their lipstick looks like. It's in that tube. It says Misho on it. And like you can see how much I have left. Very little. Trust me, I will use that to the last drop. I'll get my lip brush in there. This shade is called Madame. And it is 1002 Madame. So it's like a purple. And I have that on today. It's very light. I'd love to wear it with navy blue. Dark. Because it pops the color. But it's not like I thought when I first got it. Oh, I will never wear purple. I wore it and got so many compliments. And I still do. I love this. And I have quite a few Misho Beauties. Like I have the, you know, the pink. And I don't wear this one that much. And this one is OX, I think. Or XO. XO. I'm trying to think what else I have from Misho Beauty. I have an actual lipstick from them. And this is, I think, Llama or something of the nature. And that's like a neutral. I think I've worn that once. My phone's ringing. I have a couple. I have one more from them, and I don't know where it is. But it might be in my bathroom, because I think I had it on yesterday. Oh, and I have the Misho Beauty lip liners that I do wear is all over lip stick. And this is Madame in purple, but it's very dark. It's not like the lip balm lipstick. But I keep that in here. And then this one is the same as the other one. So you can see the contrast. So it's slightly darker, which is fine for a liner. But sometimes I like to wear them as all over lip. If anybody ever sees the Misho Beauty Madame, get a hold of me, however. You can post a comment on YouTube. You can get a hold of me on Facebook. You can get a hold of me on Instagram, probably the quickest. And let me know that you saw it in the shop, because I will go buy 5 of them. I love the wearability, the color. I bought 5 of them, Madame. So let me know if you ever see it. I look all the time and don't see it. Yeah, could I go on their website and buy it? But it's like 20 some dollars. I'd rather get it on Ipsy, but you know, I might have to do it. But and then here we have a small little product from Biro, which we just got in Boxy Charm. And this is Black Cherry Plump Lip Oil. That's a tiny little sample. What do we have here? So this is Mo Beauty, Mo Jelly Blush and Lip Tint and Chili Crisp. Right here's the packaging. And this is full size, they say. So let me see if I can figure out where this opens. There's usually a little perforation somewhere. You can kind of feel it. But, I mean, I'm glad I don't have my one hand done, because I wouldn't be doing this with fresh nails. Oh my goodness. Let's get this off. Where was it? There it is. Very difficult sometimes to open these, but I'm going to get it. Okay. This way I can at least show you. I don't know if that's all. So their packaging is very, like I can't read that. I mean, it just say Mo Beauty, but ooh. And that, you know, comes off. It does have a cap. I'm going to be careful because it's all, it seems like it's all over the, whoa. That just came out. Like, went to take the cap off and the whole thing came out. Okay, well, that's not good. That's not good at all. I can't figure out, I can't get it back in there. Okay, I can't get it back in. So that's that. So that's a tint. Oh, don't. Oh my goodness. Don't get all over the place. Okay, I got the cap off. In the meantime, I have lip tint everywhere. So that's what it looks like. So that's a blush and a jelly blush and a lip tint. That's going to stain. So be careful with that. Like, that looks like it's going to stain my hand, which is no big deal. I mean, I can get it off, but this popped out. And when there's a cap, put it back on because that'll keep it hydrated. Oh, yuck. Okay. We're going to move on. Dew of the Gods. Pomeglaze. What are you? Pomeglaze, pomegranate, and retinol face oil. Nice. I'm not going to open that. I might share that. I'm not real big on face oil, but sometimes a little dab like under your eyes. Like my nose is very dry. Just in those areas for an oil or like more T-zone, not necessarily chin, a little bit. With an oil before I put my makeup on. After my skincare, I'll just dab a little bit of the oil, let it absorb and sit. I don't want this all over my sweater. Under eyes, especially if you're starting to get like some fine lines, which, you know, as you age, we all do. And if you don't, yay you, I'm happy for you. But it does happen. And a little bit of oil under there and let it absorb. Not a lot, just like a small little amount. Dab it on, let it absorb. And it helps then when you go to put all your other products on top because you're nice and hydrated and moisturized. Not bad. Is it a favorite? Yeah, I don't know about that. I'm trying to get this lid back on. Oh, you can't. I don't want it all over my bag either. So cute bag. Happy for this one. Let's move on and see what the next one has to offer. I might see if I can get this off. Where are my... I have no idea what drawer. The wipes are on this one. So let's just grab a wipe. I have wipes open, but I don't care about opening another one. I probably should always have wipes out here to see if I can get this off. I just don't want it everywhere. And let's see how well it comes off. That's the key. I don't know if I would use that as a blush or not. It's coming off my hand. I mean, for the most part, it did stain a little bit. You can see that it is coming off. I'd be careful with that on my face just because, I mean, maybe if you go directly on a brush, it won't be as bad. But that could stain. I mean, if you want your blush to stay put, that's one way to do it. So let's put these away. I'll grab them next. I just don't want product everywhere. And is it going to stain? I'm just going to check. Oh, I don't care about pants. I just don't want it on my sweater. All right. I mean, it's everywhere, as you can imagine. So we're just going to push that aside and get into the next bag and see what that offers. I hope that's not in there. I'm like, let's open this up. Haven't even opened this one. I did pre-cut the other one because I can never pull these open. The glue that they use is insane. I might have to get scissors and blade. Usually I can pull it, but I cannot get it up from the glue. I mean, these are secure for sure. I need scissors. So let's grab some scissors and get in this. I'm so sorry. This is like crazy way to be filming today, but like I'm out of sorts. I don't know why. I don't know if you guys ever feel that way. Like I literally feel out of sorts today. Okay, so let's do bag number 2. Same, obviously same bag. I have a product outside of my bag. Oh, good. Thank God I don't see that in this one. And my card here is blank, so I don't know why that happened. So outside of my bag is from Pinky Bee Beauty, and this is the Perfect Lip Combo Open Heart. Right here, let's see what this is about. Let's open this. So is it a double? Oh, I remember seeing these on the site. I think I chose this. So up top, you have your, your liner. We'll do a little swatch. So there's the lip liner. I would fill my whole lip in with this if I like the color and pop a gloss on top. And then the bottom is probably your gloss, right? Yep, like a little gloss. I'll go next to it and let's see if there's, okay, there's some pigment there, but not a lot. And you can see the gloss right next to it. Beautiful shade. I love pink. I will wear pink, mauves, berries all year round. It doesn't matter to me, so I'm very happy with that. That is going to be a full size for sure. Oh, I really probably like the lip liner better than the gloss. I would have to try the gloss. If it's sticky, then it's not going to be a favorite, but I do like that. Let's put it on my jeans. I don't really care about the jeans so much. They're old. So let's see what we have in this rest of this bag. So from Wander. This is from Tony Moly. So it's Wander. Oh my goodness. What are you? Ceramide Mochi Water Cream. Happy to give that a try. From where? Oh, from KOA Life. Right here we have a little tiny Brighten and Glow and Hydrate. Right? Let me see what. It has caffeine, jojoba, and cacao, it looks like in there. Okay. I'll give it a shot. Try once. If I don't like it, it's a sample. It just goes. From this brand, I always have a hard time saying its name. Solwasu, I think. Every time I struggle with that when I say it. And this is a concentrated ginseng refining serum. So let's see. Oh, nice. A little tiny. I don't know if it's a pump or is it a... Yeah, it's a cute little pump. And there's skincare. I'm not mad at skincare. And then the last item is from... Who's the brand? So this is an eyeshadow crown. Who are you from? I don't know who makes this. Lower East Side is what it has on it right here. I'm not going to open that because I have so many shades like that. This is more of a, I hope you can see it, like a copper. Yeah, shop. This is LES Beauty, Shop Less Beauty. It doesn't give you, so it just says eyeshadow crown, Lower East Side. I don't know if that is the name of it, but like I said, you can see that. I'm going to share that. I won't I won't use that. I have like 2 or 3 that tone. I don't need to have, 50 million of the same. I do like an eyeshadow crown. You put it on. You can use your finger, move it around, get a small little detail brush. Do your crease with something a little darker and then put that like all over. You could pop something lighter, whatever, and pretty much be done. It's like, that's great. They're great to use for like a 5-minute look. You just want to be real quick. A lot of times I just have powder, brows, lips. But if I want eyeshadow, something like that is quick. 2 tones, I can grab 2, do a darker crease, put that all over the lid, set it down, and I'm good to go. So no complaints there, but I will share that one. Like I said, when I went through all of my stuff, probably within the last, I think I did it pre-Christmas for my eyeshadow sticks, because some of them were old, a little dry, so I tossed them. But the ones that I have, I do use. I could probably, I don't know where the palettes are down one, so I don't want to grab, I could grab them. Oh, no, I can't. Where they're yeah. So I'll show you. So I have all my eyeshadow sticks right here, and I do use them. But I have quite a few of those tones. I have one I've never even used yet, but like this is a nice little gold. That's like from e.l.f. I have some others that are similar tones right there. And I do use these. These are real easy. Like I said, quick, easy. And I have one from Too Faced I love because it's like a good base for your eyelid if you want to go over top of it. But so I'll share that. But everything else I'll keep and try and see what I think. So not bad for Glam bags. I love the bag. Obviously for February they did theme it, nicely for, Valentine's, for Love Month, whatever you want to call it. But really cute bags. And let me know your thoughts. Do you get Ipsy Glam bag, or have a lot of you canceled your Glam bag? I love the Glam bag. I love samples. Not necessarily always these super tiny samples, but I love to try stuff or travel with it. They're great travel. Like I have a whole drawer back here. No, yeah, it's back here. This whole drawer right back here is my samples. I don't mix them in with anything else. So if I'm going away, I have sample deodorants, sample shampoo conditioners to take, primer, a lot of skincare, things like that. And, lip products. This kind of stuff is easy to travel with. Your your eyeshadow crowns, small palettes. That's why sometimes, like a 4-pan, as long as it's a neutral, is easy just to pop in your makeup bag and take away with you. So I don't complain about those. Some of these like massive palettes from like Lurella, they're hard to store, and you can't take them on vacation with you or anywhere. You're just traveling for the weekend. I'm not taking a huge massive palette. A little tiny one, perfect, fits right in your makeup bag. So let me know your thoughts on this. The only thing that I'm not thrilled with is this from Mo Beauty, the blush and the lip tint. I would never put that on my face. That took a while to come off, and I can still see it. Lip might not be too bad because I want my lip to stay on. So, all right, that's it for Ipsy versus Ipsy. Not bad. I think pretty decent month all around for Ipsy for February. Let me know your thoughts. I appreciate all of you. Have a wonderful day. If you're in an area that's supposed to get hit with some snow, stay safe as always. Stay warm. Everybody stay as healthy as we can be. My one girlfriend is still sick. She's been sick, I think, for a month. I'm like, oh my goodness. So, hope you feel better, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.